know that you're hungry. So. Thank you. That's my food. Let me go to the kitchen and bring some You always love this your twin princess. Well, I also think it does. Your Majesty, let me go and feed her because I know that she must be hungry now. Thank you, Your Majesty. Thank you, Your Majesty.
Holy Ghost, I thank you. I thank you for giving me such a beautiful twins. Thank you very much. I promise I will serve you. Thank you. welcome, my people.
My king, when are we going to celebrate our princess?
We all need the date. Igwe say something.
That's why I called you people. The princess celebration is coming on the next 2 market days.
Now my mind have calmed down.
The princess celebration is going to be very mighty. But I am still contemplating on that. Last time was Afro Market Day, but I am still waiting for the next Afro Market Day to come.
You know you are talking.
Ndị iche ọ bụrụ na ya o.
Ọbịa.
Ihe ọ bụ ife anyị buga.
Ọ bụ ihe nchọ.
My king, this is why I come here. I'm about to be on my way now. Yes, ma'am. Igwe, say that again.
Igwe dalụgo.
Your Majesty.
My queen.
My king, Her Majesty.
My queen, the food is so delicious.
Thank you. Do you like it?
Yes, I like it.
Thank you, my king.
You are welcome, my lord. Like I said, Tata Bubo Shakaraka, the celebration of my twins princess. Oh no, that is Ikola.
Ndị ichie, akwụnụ nụma ọjọọ wetara. Asị na ndị okenye eme mbụ sị na asị na onye wetara ọjị wetara ndụ, weta ọganihu, weta ihe ọma. Igwe ihe awa ọjị nke wetara gozi n'ọjị na goziere n'anya.
Let the celebration continue.
Good day, Your Majesty. Good day. Your Majesty, the princess is crying.
Oh, is she crying?
Yes.
Where is she?
It's sweet and dark. Come and continue this. Let me go and attend to her.
Okay.
Good day, my queen.
Good day to Mazi Bezi.
Where is Igwe?
Oh, Igwe went out to check something at his cars.
Can I sit down?
Yes, you can have your seat, Mazi Bezi.
The baby is beautiful.
Oh, thank you, Mazi Bezi. It's the girl's wish to her.
Wow. Can I see something?
Yes, Mazi Bezi, what is it?
My son is going to marry a doctor.
Oh, I'm so excited. But when the time comes, I'll know what to do.
This is my guy, Igwe.
Okay, Mazi Bezi. Thank you for coming.
Thank you, my queen.
Adaeze nwa mama. Adaeze nwa mama. Adaeze nwa madima e. Adaeze nwa njaga. Adaeze nwa mama. Mommy.
My king,
Yes, my dear.
that reminds me. Mazi Bezi came here. And he came with a wonderful and exciting news.
What's news all about?
My king, he said that he would like his son to marry our daughter.
What? Why would Mazi Bezi say such a thing? Why would he? No. I can't take this, no. My daughter, the princess of this kingdom. Why?
My king, is there anything wrong?
Everything is wrong. I mean, everything is wrong. If I want to marry my daughter, the princess of Umaka. No. It cannot happen. It cannot happen.
Your Majesty.
My king, the Mazi Bezi we are talking about, the Pawan Tapa, he is my brother.
Do you all know that Mazi Bezi came to my house and told my wife that he wants his son? If my wife I want his son to marry my daughter, the princess of Umaka.
What? Why would he say such a stupid talk?
Ow.
Why would he say that?
Adaeze nwa njaga.
Mazi Bezi say that.
Ow.
Cats, go and fetch that man. Go and fetch him now.
Hụrụ gị n'anya, onwe m hụrụ gị n'anya, ọkụ gị hụrụ gị n'anya, ndị obodo hụrụ gị n'anya, ụmụnna hụrụ gị n'anya, ụkwụ n'ibe hụrụ gị n'anya, ndị enyi
This is him.
hụrụ gị n'anya,
This is him.
ọhaneze hụrụ gị n'anya,
Ibeze my brother.
hụrụ gị n'anya.
The thing that Igwe is saying, is it true?
Yes, my brother is true.
Why would you say that?
Igwe, please, forgive me. Igwe.
Do you want to die?
No, my brother.
And you know that you are the only one that I have. Eh? Why would you say such a thing?
Please,
Hmm? My king, please forgive my brother. He's the only one that I have.
You know that this man is a
My
poor
king,
man.
please forgive my
Please
brother. He's
forgive
the only
him.
one that I have. And he's just a poor man. Please forgive him.
Guards,
Please forgive him.
go and bring that man. Go and put him in the prison now.
Please forgive my brother. Please. Please forgive me.
Please forgive him.
Don't
He's a
forget
poor
my
man.
king.
Please forgive him, my king.
My king, please forgive me.
the queen mother that take the second princess?
It's like she went out with Igwe.
Okay, oh, give her her food.
Outside. I hope all is well.
I just want to take fresh air. Let's go inside.
No, my king. We are rushing to somewhere today. my king, why I came here is that I came here on behalf of my brother Ibezo. My king, I want you to release him, my king, please.
My king, please. Tamper justice with Mace, my king.
My king, Mazi Beze is a poor man. He had nobody to speak for him. Please, my king, hear them out and release him.
Okay, it's all right. I'll think about it.
My king, you see, Mazi Beze is a poor man, and he had nobody that will witness him, my king. Hear them out. I'm sorry for everything, but don't worry. I've talked to Igwe. He will soon release you.
Adaeze nwa mama, Adaeze nwa mama, Adaeze nwa madema Adaeze nwa njaga, Adaeze nwa mama, momingi hụrụ gị n'anya. Adaeze nwa dị mma, momingi hụrụ gị n'anya. Adaeze nwa njaga, Daddy gị hụrụ gị n'anya, auntie gị hụrụ gị n'anya, mụnwe m hụrụ gị n'anya, ọkụ gị hụrụ gị n'anya, ndị obodo hụrụ gị n'anya, ụmụnne hụrụ gị n'anya, ụmụnna hụrụ gị n'anya, ukwu na ibe hụrụ gị n'anya, ndị enyi gị hụrụ gị n'anya, ọhaneze hụrụ gị n'anya, mama gị hụrụ gị n'anya.
Adaeze ịmara mma o, ịmara mma wele, ịmara mma n'eziokwu, mma gị na-eju m anya. Asa mma nwaanyị ịpụta n'anyanwụ ụtụtawanụ, asa mma nwaanyị ịpụta n'anyanwụ ụtụtawana. Ọ na-abụ nkiribe gị, ọṅụ na-eju m obi. Ọ na-abụ nlerebe gị, afọ na-eju m eju. Agụrụ adịghị agụ m mgbe ọbụla m hụrụ gị. Adaeze, Adaeze, asị m ịsọgbu m. Adaeze, Adaeze, o, asị m ịsọgbu m.
Hi, Mother. Welcome, my daughters.
We are blessed. Welcome. Sit down. How is America?
Daddy, American is better. You're welcome to your house. I hope all is well. Yes, Mother. How about your education? Oh, my head. I took first position. Oh, that's great.
What about you? Take your okay, take your bag upstairs.
Thanks, Father. Your Majesty. Let me go. They're coming.
Biko biakene ya metukane maro ka jonu moyi ya mesamo binwa ada biko biakene huwa manja bamba do manje jemba bika damo biano bia.
Adaise wa mama, Adaise wa mama, Adaise wa mademae, Adaise wa njaga, Adaise wa mama, momingi horokinanya, Adaise wa dema, momingi horokinanya, Adaise wa njaga. Daddy gihoroginanya, auntie gihoroginanya, mumwe muhoroginanya, uncle gihoroginanya, ndobodo horoginanya, umunne horoginanya, umunna horoginanya, ukuni be horoginanya, ndenyi gihoroginanya, ohanese horoginanya, mama gihoroginanya.
Adezi imarama wele imarama n'eziokwu magide jumanya asama nwanyị pụtanụ anyanwụ ụtụtawanụ asama nwanyị pụtanụ anyanwụ ụtụtawana ọ na-abụ nkiribe gị ọṅụ na-eju m obi ọ na-abụ nlerebe gị afọ na-eju m eju agụrụ adịghị agụ m mgbe ọbụla m hụrụ gị Adaeze asị m ịsọgbu m Adaeze o asị m ịsọgbu m mma gị na-esi okwu obodo gị hụrụ gị n'anya mma gị n'elu ụwa mere ka obodo dị na mma Adaeze bịa daa m obi Adaeze
juru ọfụma ndị mmadụ hụrụ gị n'anya Adaeze nwa dị mma Adaeze nwa njaga Adaeze nwa mama Adaeze nwa papa Adaeze nwa ugole sọsọ gị ka m hụrụ n'anya
Eri na ada njem ọnụ Ada biko bịakene asa nwa m njem ọnụ biko bịakene ya metụkane m arụ karụ jọnụ m oyi ya mesa m obi nwa Ada biko bịakene eyi nwa ma njaba mba eyi adọma njeje mba dịka ada m ọbịanụ bịa nwa ma njebe bịa nwa ma njeje mba olu gị na-atọ m ụtọ arụ gị na-atọ m ụtọ arụ gị na ọ dị m mma ọ na-eme m obi sarịsarị dịka Adaeze bịakene Ada biko bịakene iyele kilibe sewem selibe kilibe iyele iye
Adaeze nwa mama wa mama Adaeze nwa madema Adaeze nwa njaga Adaeze nwa mama Mommy gị hụrụ gị n'anya Adaeze nwa dị mma Mommy gị hụrụ gị n'anya Adaeze nwa njaga Daddy gị hụrụ gị n'anya Auntie gị hụrụ gị n'anya Mụnwe mụ hụrụ gị n'anya Uncle gị hụrụ gị n'anya Ndị obodo hụrụ gị n'anya Ụmụnne hụrụ gị n'anya Ụmụnna hụrụ gị n'anya Ukwu na ibe hụrụ gị n'anya Ndị enyi gị hụrụ gị n'anya Ọhaneze hụrụ gị n'anya Mama gị hụrụ gị n'anya
Where is he?
He's coming.
You're welcome.
Greetings, Lord.
Greetings to you.
How is the two princesses of Umaka?
Oh, they are all fine.
Oh no, what are the other cabinets? That's not me.
My king, why I came here is that when are we going to have our head festival?
Oh no. Our Yam festival is coming up on the next 2 market days, as usual.
Yes, my king. Okay, I should inform the town crier to pass the whole message to the whole villagers. My king, Kola always be in your favor. My king, this our Yam festival is going to be very mighty.
Yes.
Go and tell my mother and my father that the food is already entertaining.
Yes, my princess.
Good day, mother. Good day, father.
My king, that reminds me. Mazi Beze came here and he have brought the palm wine for the Iribiji festival.
Okay, my queen, that is good.
Father, the young festival is going to be good. Father, I can't wait to see that day.
Daughter, eat your food before it gets cold.
Magi juru ọfụma, ndị mmadụ hụrụ gị n'anya. Adaeze nwa dị mma, Adaeze nwa njaga.
These princesses are very beautiful. I wish I married one of the princesses.
Let me go and help them. They are my friends. You! Don't you know that we are a princess? You're my sister, a princess. They're just village girls. Don't worry, I'm going to help them. They're my friend. Don't worry.
No, my princess, what are you trying to do?
Don't worry. I'm going to help you. You're my friend.
No, my princess.
Chidinma.
That's my princess. What is this nonsense you are doing? What? What nonsense? What did I do? You refuse to listen to my advice and continue following all these village girls. Is that all? Is that why you came here?
friend Gucci. This is their farm. This is the place that I met her when she was farming. Ugochi, my friend! Ah, this is their farm now. Where is she? How are you?
Princess.
This is you. How are you?
Fine.
Happy to tell you that we are having our picture dance rehearsal today.
Really? I'm so excited. What?
I would like you to join me.
So in that case, I would like to follow you. No, my princess. You're a princess. You don't have to follow all these blessed girls. Never mind. Let's go. Anna's face is like this? My princess, what is it? Why is the face like this?
Mommy, it's not Daisy.
What did Daisy do?
On our way coming back, Daisy left me and followed all these village girls to the market square.
What? Daisy did what? This girl will never kill me. Just console yourself. She will go and come back.
Today I've still practiced in the village square. Very soon now we are going to dance preaching dance. I remember I danced this way.
Yes, my princess, what is it?
It's not Adeze.
What did Adele do to you again?
Adeze is no more talking to me.
Why is she doing this to you? Don't she know that you are her twin princess?
Because I told her not to blow
My princess, don't worry. Just console yourself. Go to your room. I'll see to it when she comes back.
Okay, Mama. Better do.
Daddy gihoro ginanya, auntie gihoro ginanya, mommy muhoro ginanya, uncle gihoro ginanya, sidobodo ginanya, umune horo ginanya, umuna horo ginanya, ukuni horo ginanya, neni gihoro ginanya, ohanese horo ginanya, mama gihoro ginanya.
Your Majesty.
Good day, my queen. How are you?
Good day, Father.
Good day, my princess. How are you?
Fine. Father, is it not yet time for you to chop for a kingship award? My king, that's true. That reminds me.
Father, say something now.
My princess. Lord, I will travel, but I'm waiting for my ticket. That's all.
Alright, but Dad, when you are coming back, make sure you buy something for me and my sister.
Okay, my princess.
My daughter, you're so funny. Well, my king, that reminds me. Let me go and prepare the dinner.
Father, let me go and join my mother in the kitchen.
Father, now watch me.
My princess.
presence of this land, Omaka. I'm not the one that made myself a princess. How? Because I thank you. I thank you, may your name be praised. Because I thank you for making me a princess.
Oh, baby.
Adaeze nwa mama.
Ada, my king, you have not finished more than sweeping this palace. Please, I'm hungry. Don't get food for me. Your food is already in the dining. Make sure you sweep this balance fast. Yes, ma'am.
Adaeze marama imarama gule imarama n'esiokwu mmadụ na-eju n'anya asamma nwanyị pụtanụ anyanwụ ọtụtawanụ asamma nwanyị abụ nkiribe gị ọṅụ na-eju m obi ọ na-abụ nlerebe gị afọ na-eju m eju agụrụ adịghị agụ mgbe ọbụla m hụrụ gị Adaeze
My king, I will do as you said, because I'm the second eyes of this palace when you're not around. But Dad, we are going to miss you. My wish is that may the gods of our land lead you for going and coming back. Aga, yes ma'am. Go and check if the cars are putting the luggage inside the car.
Eri na danjemono, ada biko biakele, arsa wamu jemono, biko biakele, ya lesukane maro.
Are you people still
Yes,
Yes, of course. Do you want to join us? I'll be telling you since long time. Do you want to join what I'm thinking about now? No, what? Our Oprige dancing competition is coming very soon. Sitting here, Daddy has not come back. Yes, it's true. I'm still thinking about that. Okay. I have some cucumber in the kitchen. Will you eat? Yes, bring it. Let's eat it before we go to the house. Aluchi! Aluchi! Yes, my princess. Go to the kitchen and bring that cucumber that my mother sliced. Bring it. Yes, my princess. It's like Igwe is not yet back. Greetings, my queen. Greetings to my elders. It's like Igwe is not yet back.
Oh, no, he's not yet back, but he will be back very soon.
That's why you're here.
Thank you. That's good.
We beg to take our leave. Good. Thanks for coming. Good day, mother. Good day, mother.
Good day, my princess. How are you doing?
Fine, mother. Mother, we want to dance for you.
I know you both will be a good dancer.
Yes, mother.
Go on, let me see your dancing step.
Adaeze nwa mama, Adaeze nwa mama, Adaeze nwa madima Adaeze nwa njaga, Adaeze nwa mama, mommy hụrụ gị n'anya. Adaeze nwa dị mma, mommy hụrụ gị n'anya. Adaeze nwa njaga, daddy hụrụ gị n'anya.
Thank you, my princess. Do you know the dance that you dance now? It has really cooled my mind. I love you, my daughters.
I love you too. Mother, I'm missing father. Mother, it's not it's time for father to come back from US.
Don't worry, he will soon be back.
Father, it's not it's time for you to come back from US. We are missing you, especially I. I'm missing you too. I don't want anything to happen to my father.
My daughters, don't worry, he will soon be back. The gods of our land will lead him for going out and coming in.
Today, I'm going to teach you people how to respect your elder ones. Princess, can you stand up and tell me how you respect your mother, your father, and your elder ones?
Number 1, I will be a good child to my parents and to the elder ones. Number 2, I will be a good child to all over my communities. Number 3, I will be obedient. Number 4, I will always be truthful. Number 5, I will not do anything that will damage my image. Number 6, I will be a good child. Number 7, I will respect my parents with respect.
Good girl. Small princess, can you stand up and tell me how you catwalk when you are walking on the road? Good girls. You see, you both are very intelligent. I'll see you people on the next lesson. Thanks.
Okay, bye.
greet you, my princess. I greet you too.
The princess is beautiful.
Wow.
Can I see something?
Yes, Mazi.
My son is going to marry a doctor.
Oh, I'm so excited. But when the time comes, I'll know what to do.
Cats, go and fetch that man. Go and fetch that. Go and fetch him now.
Because please forgive my.
What is keeping this teacher? I don't know what is keeping her. She's supposed to be here by now.
My princess, don't worry. She will soon be here.
Good day to Mrs. Christie. What is keeping it too late? Every time, sorry.
My princess, you girls should join her to your dressing room.
Okay, well.
Daisy,
Yes.
and please can you tell me the full meaning of SSS?
The full meaning of SSS is State Security Service. Are you okay now?
Yes, thank you very much. Daisy,
Yes, what is it?
please can you write it for me?
Now go.
Thank you.
What is keeping our Igbo? It's supposed to be here now.
Igwe.
Teacher, person no.
Like I said, today is a day we are going to celebrate our king coming back from the US. The job you and bring the food and the drink. The teacher is waiting for us at the parlor.
I'm coming. I'm already through. Please wait for me.
Let me unlock that thing. Let's go. Good day, Father. Good day, Mother. Good day, Father. Good day, Mother.
You're welcome, my daughter.
Are you guests too?
Yes, Mother.
How is the match pass?
Father, the match pass was amazing. We took the first position.
What?
That is my princess.
You guys should go to the dining and take your food. Okay, Mother. My king, let me join them.
Okay, my baby. are you looking for?
I want to see the princess.
Follow me.
My king, you promised to take me out for shopping this weekend.
I remember, my queen. But
There is a girl looking for Princess outside.
bring her in.
Adaeze nwa mama. Adaeze nwa mama. Adaeze nwa madima e. Adaeze nwa njaga. Adaeze nwa mama. Wamingi huru gị n'anya.
Young girl, what can we do for you? I am
Wamingi
looking for
huru
princess.
gị n'anya.
Okay,
Adaeze
princess.
nwa njaga.
They went out.
Daddy gị huru gị
But
n'anya.
I hope there is no problem. I come to cover for a preacher dance lesson today. Oh, that reminds me. But when they come back, I'll tell them to come and join me for the village school. Thank you. Thank you. You're welcome, my daughter. I love driving.
Ọhaneze hụrụ gị n'anya.
Is the Igwe around? I want to see the Igwe. Thank you, Your Highness. That's my job. I was trained to do that.
May God bless you.
You see,
And also, I want to invite you for my twins princess next week of Bridge Dance. Please be patient.
thank you, Your Highness. Your Highness, I also want to use this medium to thank you for allowing your two daughters to take part in our march past. Thank you, Your Highness. Your Highness, I think we should take our leave right now. Have other things to attend to. We'll see you next time.
Thank you for coming.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
May God bless you.
You say,
My king, these people are really trying in this community.
I see.
My king, I'll join you later. Okay, my good. guys need. Ah, Mother, you see, as you can see, we have everything right from time. That's my princess. That reminds me. Have you guys eaten?
No, Mother, but I'm hungry.
Don't worry. Let's go to the dining room.
Okay, Mother. Did you know that Daddy promised to take us back to US? Thank God, though. Yeah, it's so hot. My sister is true. Yeah, it's still hot. I wish today Daddy's going to take us to US. That's so funny. That's so funny. So funny. It's so funny. It's so funny.
Adaeze nwa mama, Adaeze nwa mama, Adaeze nwa madima Adaeze nwa njaga, Adaeze nwa mama, momingi hụrụ gị n'anya. Adaeze nwa dị mma, momingi hụrụ gị n'anya. Adaeze nwa njaga, Daddy gị hụrụ gị n'anya, auntie gị hụrụ gị n'anya, mụnwe m hụrụ gị n'anya, uncle gị hụrụ gị n'anya.
Got my friend. Greetings, my princess. Witness you. Where have you been? I've been looking for you since yesterday.
Sonia,
Where are you going now?
I'm going to the farm.
Let's go together. Let's go too.
Adaeze ịmara mma o, ịmara mma gwele, ịmara mma n'eziokwu, mma gị na-eju m anya. Asa mma nwaanyị ịpụta n'anyanwụ ụtụtụ awanụ, asa mma nwaanyị ịpụta n'anyanwụ ụtụtụ awana. Ọ na-abụ nkiribe gị, ọṅụ na-eju m obi. Ọ na-abụ nlerebe gị, afọ na-eju m eju. Agụrụ adịghị agụ m mgbe ọbụla m hụrụ gị. Adaeze, Adaeze, asị m ịsọgbu. Adaeze, Adaeze, asị m ịsọgbu. Mma gị na-esi okwu, obodo gị hụrụ gị n'anya. Mma gị n'elu ụwa.
Let's go.
Adaeze ga-ada m obi o, Adaeze.
Magi na-esokwu, magi na-esokwu, magi juru ọfụma, ndị mmadụ hụrụ gị n'anya. Adaeze nwa dị mma, Adaeze nwa njaga, Adaeze nwa mama, Adaeze nwa papa, Adaeze nwa ugole, sọsọ gị ka m hụrụ n'anya.
My sister. The day that we are going to do our bridge dancing competition is going to be very mighty. Yes. I will dance more than you. I'm going to surprise you. Me? You cannot dance more than me. Before you were doing like that. But now, I'm not doing any kind of Good day, mother. Good day, mother. Good day, my princess. How are you? I'm fine, mother. Good day, father. My princess, how are you? I'm fine, father.
Mother, my princess.
Yes, good.
We came last night to tell you that we are going out. No, but we came. We saw you both sleeping.
Okay, mother.
I've already invited your principal and your teacher for the next week of July.
Really? I'm so excited.
Thank you, Father. My princess, we are going out for the traditional marriage. You should take care of the palace.
Okay, mother. Mommy, why coming back?
bring something for us. Or maybe bring something for me. Bye bye. Bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye.
Guards,
Yes, Igwe.
now we are going out. I want you to take care of the palace.
Igwe.
I hope that you are with the car keys.
Show me your best of dance. Bobby, show me your best of dance. Peter, show me your best of dance. Benita, show me your best of dance. Happy, show me your best of dance. Lovety, show me your best of dance. Cynthia, show me your best of dance. Blessing, show me your best of dance. Show me your best of dance. Gifty, show me your best of dance. Domino, show me your best of dance. David, show me your best of dance. Chichi waka negi sinama, Adam waka negi sinama, Chama waka negi sinama, Chidera waka negi sinama, Sosom waka negi sinama, Kodi waka negi sinama, Chire waka negi sinama, Adam waka negi sinama. Fumi wajo, Rashidi wajo, Kajida wajo, Fuwadi wajo, Sanabu wajo, Bisi wajo, Lukumo wajo, Sheri wajo, yeah. Jibola wajo, Dani wajo, Kabiru wajo, Emi wajo, Eri wajo, Ikwaye wajo.
Now let the princess come and dance.
Rawa, Abini, Kaimini Nawa, Bello Dalla Kaimini Nawa, Ubaka Kazo Kaimini Lawa, Bello Dalla Kaimini Lawa, Amina Zokusa Kimini Lawa, Abubaka Zokusa Kimini Lawa, Usazo Kimini Lawa, Sumaya Zo Kimini Lawa, Aminu Anake Kaimini Lawa, Wala Kazo Kaimini Lawa, Aminu Kazo Kaimini Lawa.
Aisha nuna mulawa, Dogo nuna nulawa, Amaria nuna mulawa, Sulema nuna mulawa, Kayi nuna mulawa, Ebi nuna mulawa, everybody nuna mulawa, nulawa. Odizi, Odifele, Oyes Nadizi, Abuta Nubebu, Odizi, Odifele,
My name is Princess Precious Ozon. Parents, make sure your children watch Rainbow Talent. I love you all.
Hello viewers. To Princess, what is your name?
My name is Mimi. My name is Kiki. My name is Kosi.
You see, they all have their beautiful names. Please, I want you to continue watching Rainbow. Thank you. See you
Bye bye. Hello. I love you all.
See you next time. Bye.
I love you all. I love you all. Miss you. Hi.
Thank God for everything, for shooting successfully. Right? Don't worry, I'll give you the rest. I love you.
Thank you. Thank you.